Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to float the selected note using the notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the notes application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Notes application. Enter, let's open this up. And now for us to float the selected note. What does that really mean? It means to pull the note out in its own window. We can go to the top navigation menu. If we go to Window, it says float the selected note, and so this is now taken out of its own application into its own window. So let's do this for the pinned note, window, float selected note, and now both of these notes have been taken out of their note application format. So let's minimize the original. And now what we can do is simultaneously work on these notes if we really have to, and then if we close, the changes will be made as they are just clones of the note that we are working on. So we can now quit notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.